Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Kukai Wallet account. Kukai Wallet is a non-custodial Tezos wallet, which means your wallet exists on the blockchain and it's controlled by your private keys. Because of this, there is no traditional delete account button. However, if you can remove the wallet from your device and make sure it is no longer accessible, then here's how to do it properly. So first you need to open to any of your web browser, and after that in the top there's an address bar. What you can do is type down wallet.kukai.app and enter it over here. And once you reach into this interface of the official Kukai Wallet, in the top right we can find the setting and this sign out icon here. You can simply select this logout, and that is it. Since Kukai is decentralized, the wallet address itself cannot be permanently deleted from the blockchain. You can delete your access logging out to the Kukai, and is the only way to delete the account from your device. And to delete a Kukai Wallet account, you can transfer your fund, log out of the wallet and clear all of the data, and this ensures the wallet is no longer accessible from your device. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.